All right, so this is the application problem for lesson 19. And the problem says there are 35 note cards in one box. There are 67 note cards in another box. How many note cards are there in all? So we're trying to find out the total amount. So that would be adding. And one part that we know is 35, and the other part we know is 67. We need to find out the whole. So you can use vertical form, you can use the chip model. Pick one of those strategies, and if you don't have your morning work journal out, go ahead and get your morning work journal. Once you have your morning work journal, go ahead and press pause. Solve the problem. When you're ready to check your work, press play. Alright, so now that you've done your work, I'm going to solve this using the vertical form first, for those of you who used vertical form. 35 plus 67. I know I start by adding my ones. 5 plus 7 is 12. I know that I have to bundle or rename the units into the tens place. 5 plus 7 is 12. Then I'm going to go to my tens digit. I'm going to add 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. Plus 1 more is 10. So the vertical form shows me that there are 102 note cards. If you chose to do the chip model, you should have drawn your place value mat, labeled it ones, tens, 100s. Start off by showing 35, 10, 20, 30. Notice I'm attending to precision and I'm not squishing my dots all together. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Now I need to show 67, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. Notice I did everything in groups of 5. So now I'm going to start at my ones and I'm going to decide if I need to compose. Here's 5 here and here's 5 here, so I know automatically that is a group of 10. Compose it over to my tens digit. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all of these make a group of 10. Count again to make sure you have only 10 in the bubble. And I can compose those 10 tens for a 100. I have 1 100, 0 tens left, and 2 ones, 102. Remember, you always want to write a statement afterwards to prove that you know what the answer is. So my statement would say there are 102 note cards in all. 35 plus 67 is 102 note cards. If you did not get that right, please revise your answer. If you forgot to write your statement, please write your statement now. Once you're done, go ahead and move on your playlist.